Headmaster, Dr. McEwen, Deputy Headmaster, Mr. Davies, invited guests, staff, and most importantly, fellow students. I asked a teacher yesterday to tell me what the best thing about Hutchins is. It only took Mr. Green 3 seconds to say, hands down, it is our students, then daylight. So I say again, good afternoon and a very warm welcome to you, the students of the Hutchins School, who are my priority as your leader in 2021. The most eye-opening and life-changing opportunity I've experienced is my exchange to India with Henry Johnston in Year 10. It taught me the lesson of how people there are so grateful for the smallest of opportunities. During our stay, we met a family living in poverty. My fondest memory of this family was my conversation with the father, Arjun, who is the person in the middle of this photo shown. Arjun was so proud to tell me about his job as a farmer. He would walk barefoot on an unpaved road for 4 hours a day to reach the farm so that he could earn $15 a week, enough to give his family shelter, food, and water. Take a minute to think about walking barefoot on a rough road for 4 hours a day to earn enough money to earn 1 Zinger box per week. Arjun was so happy that he was given the opportunity to be a farmer. To him, he had everything in the world, yet we become so frustrated when our phones run out of battery before the end of the day. When I came back to Australia after being in India for 5 weeks, I had a realization. There are so many opportunities we take for granted. How often do we reflect on how fortunate we are to have all the opportunities we have? Here in Tasmania, most of us never have to fear the cold or heat, as we are always close to a warm bed and air-conditioned classroom. When have you stopped while shopping at Woolies to appreciate all the foods we can choose from? How incredible is it that you can put 39,000 different types of foods in your trolley? This is no longer a luxury, but an expectation. Have you ever thought about how fortunate we are to have the opportunity to own pen and paper? None of these 264 million people have a phone or computer access. Neither can they visit the local hairdresser for a fresh trim, to get curtains or a mullet like we can. Being in India is the most uncomfortable I've ever felt. It pushed me outside of my comfort zone like never before. However, these feelings didn't last long, and for the rest of my time there, I loved it. I didn't want to leave. The best opportunities we can experience are often the ones you don't expect. Over the holidays, I spent quite a lot of time thinking about how the prefect group could contribute to the Hutchins community. Our goal is to see you embracing all the opportunities that are available to you. Towards the end of the year, when I ask you if you have grasped every opportunity at Hutchins, I am hopeful that all of you will smile back at me and say, I sure have. Therefore, it is with great pleasure that today I get the chance to introduce the Prefect's theme for 2021, opportunity. We are all so lucky to have such a diverse range of opportunities here at Hutchins, from the drama class with Mrs. Weeding to exchanges to all over the world. The person to your left might be in the dance troupe. The person to your right may be passionate about debating. Everywhere you look, there is an opportunity. Regardless of whether you are in your 14th year at Hutchins or you've only been here for 4 weeks, I encourage you to try something different this year. Give everything a go. And if you try something and it doesn't work out, that is perfectly okay. I'm doing something different right now. I'm so nervous to be up here, but I'm glad to give it a go. My speech will be easier, I hope. Boys, know that when we try something new, it is absolutely fine to make mistakes and not always succeed, as this is a sign you are not only embracing opportunity, but taking risks. You don't need to be perfect. I've never excelled in sport. In Year 9, I failed Mr. Hutchins' linear relations test. In Year 4, I didn't make the choir. In Year 8, I applied to be a house captain and was unsuccessful. It is these setbacks which not only build our resilience, but also teach us the importance of giving new opportunities a go. Challenges will come. You will be knocked down. But it is not about how hard you get hit, but about how many times you get hit and keep on getting up. I want to present you an analogy on opportunity. For those of you that don't know me, I love scuba diving, so this is quite fitting. Between 1801 and 1803, a man by the name of Matthew Flinders undertook a journey to discover the underwater world of Australia. In his first attempt, he went diving in a lagoon in Upper Queensland. But, as you might have already predicted, he discovered nothing more than sand on the seafloor. Then, Matthew decided to try something a little different. He took his boat out to the open ocean to see what he could find. This was a very risky decision, and Matthew was quite hesitant at first. There was a risk that a big swell could crush his boat into pieces, or the prevailing winds could be too strong for his sails. He travelled along the coastline for about 10 minutes, and then, bang. Much to Matthew's surprise, his boat ran aground. He had hit a reef. Incredibly, Matthew Flinders had discovered the Great Barrier Reef, the largest of all reefs in the world. At Hutchins, you have the opportunity to discover your own Great Barrier Reef. While this may not involve colourful fish and corals, I encourage every single one of you to dive right in and take a risk, just like Matthew Flinders did. If you decide to venture into the ocean and try something new, although it is risky, it is so exciting. You will never make a discovery or find a passion by staying close to the shore. So, do you want to live life in the lagoon or the ocean? How do you want to be remembered? What footprint do you want to leave on this school? What will be your Great Barrier Reef? Remember, the opportunities on offer at Hutchins are there for the taking. Whether this is one or many, they are yours, and we are so lucky to have them. 2021 is your year to achieve your goals. Make it really count. You are so much more capable than you think you are. How do I achieve this, I hear you asking? Well, I have a challenge for you. This term, I ask you to try out one new opportunity, one thing that you've never done before. For example, house drama. Support the rowers at Barrington at Head of the River. Volunteer to serve dinner for the homeless community at the Salvation Army. Enter the javelin at the athletics carnival. Or say hello to someone you have never spoken to before. Whatever it might be, I can promise you that you won't look back. My final words: experience the thrill of risk-taking. Be grateful for the opportunities you have been given, just like Arjun from India was, and just like what Matthew Flinders did. Take every opportunity. Opportunities at Hutchins are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you will miss them. It is in your hands now. Vivat post funera virtus. Character lives on after death. What you do matters. Thank you.